Hi, and welcome back to The Road to React, your journey to master plain yet programmatic react.js add-on series. Today we're going to talk about React DOM. DOM stands for Document Object Manipulation, and it's basically just the page, the HTML page that you see when you open up a website. That's it. There's nothing else to it. It's just HTML, and you can manipulate it. All right. You can manipulate it through JavaScript, or in this case, through React. All right. So with that said, let's get started. So this is on page 28 of the book. Just a friendly reminder, you obviously need the book to follow along. Just my lecture by itself will make no sense whatsoever. So you need the book for sure. All right. So let's see. Let's pull up Today we're going to pull up not the app.js, which we are very familiar with. Today we're going to open up the index.js page, and we're going to take a look at this part right here, specifically, and even more specifically, this render function. So React DOM, which everything comes from somewhere, by the way. There's only very few built-in, classes, objects, functions that come out of nowhere, it seems like, because they're built in, they're JavaScript, but then everything else comes from somewhere. So when you see something like this, you should probably look up first and see where it's being declared or where it comes from. So right here, you'll see it comes from right here, line 2. So this, and then React DOM, that's the name we gave it, comes from React DOM library. And inside of it, we can see this dot tells us inside, that's the way I look at it, there's like, you can go deeper into an object, or and call on attributes and functions and things like that. So in this case, we're calling on a method or function called render. And we can see that it takes in 2 arguments. How do I know this? Because I'm looking at this comma right here. So this is the first argument, and then this is the second argument. The first argument is just JSX. I know there's this React strict mode. For now, just ignore it. This app is just JSX. Remember that? It's a component that returns JSX. And then this part right here is just where we want to place this JSX. Well, we were saying, like, go ahead and get the element by the ID root and place it inside of that. So this will place app, whatever app returns, which is JSX, which is just JavaScript mixed with HTML, and place it in an element called root. Well, you might be asking, where is root? Well, that would be a very good question to ask. And for that, we're going to have to go into public folder index.html. And you'll see root is right there. So it's going to be placed right here. So the content of app.js will be placed right there. Simple, right? So back to index.js. So also index.js is the starting point of the app. This is usually when I open up a React application or Node application or Node app, a React app. I usually look at package.json, and then I look at some sort of index.js, and then I just trace it from there if I wanted to understand the code a little bit better. Okay, so let's see what what else Robin talks about. Well, he doesn't say much. He just says what I said about this component being loaded into this element. And he's also saying, like, over here, you don't have to, like, instantiate a component. You can just actually have, you can put actual JSX, or, just, let's say, H1. And we're going to keep it super casual here. Yo, world. And, all right, let's see what happens. Remember the command to start, npm start. It's probably going to pull it up on my other screen. Yep. And let me pull. Yep. There it is. All right. That's pretty much it. It was incredibly. This section was incredibly short. It was literally 1 page, 1.5 pages maybe, and that's it. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe, spread the word, please. This would be of tremendous help, and I'm here to help. I don't mind helping, so I want to make sure you succeed in learning React, and I will hopefully succeed as well with you. All right, guys, till next time, take care.